am Zuzu.
Today we're going to play a super fun game.
Look at the pictures and try to guess the action.
Are you
ready?
Let's start.
Listen carefully and answer correctly.
Good luck, friends. Okay, kids, look at this picture.
Yeah! Take a good look. What is Zara doing?
Pick the correct one. Yes, that's correct.
Zara is reading.
Great job, kids. You're really smart.
Now say, what is Zara doing?
Watch carefully, friends. What am I doing? Choose the right one. Yeah, that's correct.
Zara is drawing.
You're really awesome. Good job, friends. Keep learning and having fun. Let's go to next one. What is Zuzu doing?
Watch carefully, friends. What am I doing?
Pick the correct one. Yes, that's correct. Zuzu is eating.
Great job, friends. You're really smart.
Let's move to next one.
Yeah. Take a good look, friends. What are they doing?
Watch carefully, friends. What are they doing?
Choose the right one.
Yes, that's correct.
They are dancing. Great effort, friends. You're really smart. Great job, friends. Keep practicing English every day with us. This is Zuzu.
This is Zara signing off. See you. Don't forget to subscribe Berry Bees TV.